Happy birthday, Ate Prince.
I love you.
Love you. And God bless.
Thank you so much. Okay. One of the stakeholders of Carmen Copper Corporation.
Ang ako'y kasulti ni Ate Prince. Happy birthday. Kanya, tanan. Di na lang kung musulti daghan ka, makahila ko. Tawag ka na mo tanan.
Pag-iyan sa Watson, kuan. Pharmacy, kuan.
We are proud to be, I am proud to be your auntie. And then I'm proud to be, I'm proud of you because you're very, beautiful, and then, heart-minded, and then very, everything that we tell you, you're following with us, and then very good girl. You are our a little girl, and then now you are our grown to be a lady, but still you are our still very little girl for us, and we love you so much. Everything we do, what you need, we try our best to do the best, because you are like our. I love you so much, and then wish you all happiness, everything you need in life, and then make your dreams come true, and then be wiser, and be a good model to your cousin and then siblings, and then everything, not only for yourself but ask for God for His guidance. Everything will be followed. I love you so much. More birthdays and more candles to blow. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Ate Princess. God bless you. I love you.
First of all, thank you for coming for this special celebration of my life. I'm so thankful kay yung Alleged mo, and also to my family who are ning event behind this event, and from Mami Ingrid and Daddy Roger, and shout out to Daddy Anthony and Uncle Paul, and also tanan sa kanin niya. I'm so thankful and attached mo kay ni Alleged mo. And also, I hope through the years of my life, I will say kapag mo we have no communications basta say lang mo. And of course, to Ate Babes for the coordinator and for being the MC, and for my outfit and makeup, and also to my teachers and sila, thank you kayo, and also my relatives, the official the official family, and Kuya Rico and family. Also, the Romneta, sila, also si Nene, sorry, hapa na yung tanong si April, sila, Tilay, and also Ate Arlene and Ate Faye, thank you kayo, pagsabarin niya, my friends, sila Raiza, and the Dropa, and also Jen and Jenny, basta sila Ashley, hindi na ito mention tanan, basta thank you guys pagkati, thank you kayo, but hindi na ito mention name by name, basta thank you guys pagkati, thank you, the cousins 2.0, short, yan, basta ito pala, thank you kayo, yes, thank you, hindi na ito mga thank you, basta thank you kayo, thank you for the celebration, I didn't expect this, yeah, thank you, and I love you all.
Okay, katuto ko na naman sa Victoria, ha?